Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary. In this video, I'm going to share my skincare collection, and this is going to be more of a mini review type video. I like to record it in this style because I love reviewing. Also, I wanted to mention that most of the products that I have is from Mamaearth because I tried one product, I liked it, then the cycle continued of buying more products and trying those things out. And in the future, whatever I will be buying, I will be trying a few other different brands to review those products. Let's get started. I use this Inveda oil cleanser to remove full face of makeup. Sometimes when I want to just correct some makeup mistakes and I have applied very less makeup, I use this simple micellar water. So the first face wash that I have is this Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. This is one face wash which I use every day. I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin, so this face wash has been very helpful in controlling those acne breakouts. Ever since I switched to this face wash, I noticed a lot of reduction in the breakouts. That's slightly little bit drying, so if you are using it, you have to follow it up with a moisturizer. And for dry skin, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you're willing to use a very heavy moisturizer after this, then it's a good buy. Second face wash that I have is this Upton face wash because this has those exfoliating beads. I'm using this to exfoliate. I'm not using it currently because I purchased a facial scrub that they have and I tried that, I like that, so I have stopped using it currently. Next category is the facial scrubs. As I mentioned, I'm using this right now, the charcoal face scrub. This has a nice exfoliating beads and the beads are slightly bigger than the Upton face wash, but it is still very gentle on the skin. It also helps to a certain extent in getting rid of blackheads. Blackheads are something very difficult to get rid of. This has been very helpful with that, at the same time being very gentle, very balanced, not so drying, but it has a mild fragrance to it, which disappears after a few seconds, so that doesn't bother me much, but it does not contain any artificial fragrance. I want to show how it looks like. Looks like this, not very thick, not very thin consistency. The texture is like this. The next category is the moisturizer and Aroma Magic Oil Free Moisturizer. This is good for extremely oily skin. It sits well under the makeup. It just takes 1 minute to get absorbed into the skin, but if you have like normal or dry skin, it is not recommended. Next, I have this Mamaearth Oil Free Moisturizer. I use it during winters. It's slightly thicker than this one. This is more water based and watery. It sits well under the makeup, but it takes a little more time than the Aroma Magic Moisturizer. It takes around 10 minutes to set. Sits well underneath the makeup as well. Okay, another moisturizer, Wow Skin Revive Moisturizer. This is a very old product from their brand. I couldn't use it on my face because it had very strong fragrance in it and it was like causing irritation to my facial skin, so I stopped using it for my face and then started using it as a body lotion. Next product is Mamaearth Aloe Turmeric Gel. It contains turmeric and vitamin E in the ingredients. It's free from other harmful chemicals. This is a 300 ml bottle and I have managed to finish this much, so you can say how much I'm using it. This particular product can also be used on hair and you can mix it in DIY to form a face mask or hair mask. Next product and category is the face mask. I use this Mamaearth Upton face mask. It's a good face mask. It gives a nice brightening and glowing effect to the skin after use. I just finished one tub. This is the second tub that I'm using right now. Okay, the last two products is something which I have not shown in any of my previous video because I wasn't using it much. So it is the under eye cream. It gives good moisturization for the under eye skin, but I felt it's a little bit thick to use it during the day, especially in summer, so I wasn't using it underneath the makeup as well. But to use at night, it is okay. Whether it gets rid of dark circles or no, I am not sure because I did not use it consistently. They give good quantity as well. Most of the under eye cream, they have just 15 to 20 ml. This has 30 ml. It's a pump packaging. Okay, the next one is this overnight repair cream. This one product which I did not like. It is very thin, doesn't moisturize the skin enough. After using it, you have to use a different moisturizer. After use, there was a little bit of breakout that I experienced, so I stopped using it. Then after a month I started using it again, then there was no breakout. I did not like this cream much. I do not see any difference not using it regularly. Yeah, that was the last product. These are the products that I had in my skincare collection. If there's any video request that you have, please write it down in the comment section below, or any feedback that you have, I would really appreciate it. And that's it from this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos. I've made a lot of videos about skincare and makeup. Leave it in the description box below. That's it from this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.